Hi everyone, how are you doing? I hope you're having a great day. So today, sorry, I had to do like a hair flip. I saw myself in the monitor. I'm like, what is going on with my hair today? Woo. But anyways, back to what I was saying. Today we're opening up Vellabox, which is a candle subscription. And I think I say this every month, but I am so in need of some more candles, so I'm super excited. Vellabox is one of my favorites. It is so good. Every month I'm so happy and satisfied with it. And one thing I love about Vellabox is that they offer different subscription tiers starting at $10 a month. So the $10 a month subscription, you get one candle that is, I believe, 4 ounces. And in the second tier, it's $20 and you get the 8-ounce candle. And the third tier, which I get, you get both the 4-ounce and the 8-ounce candles. And they always come in these adorable reusable bags, and you always get a free goodie with them. It is so great. All of the candles come from local artisans in the United States. They're like hand poured, made in small batches. They're toxin free, made from good ingredients. So yeah, let's get unboxing and see what we got for August. So here's what it looks like when I open up the box. So it says, "The world is big and I want to have a good look at it before it gets dark. John Muir." So they always have a quote in here. A little removable piece of paper, so that is nice. And we might actually have just plain bags this month, which is interesting. So we have two of these canvas bags. Usually they have prints on them, but these are fun. You can still reuse them and they're still really good quality. So obviously the bigger one is the 8-ounce candle, and here is the 4-ounce. And there's a little thing on there that says Vellabox, so they are drawstring. And then we have our little extra. And here is a sheet that talks about this month's candles. So let's see where our candles are from this month. Sorry, there's a big truck driving by. How rude. The candles this month are from Ranger Station, which is based out of Nashville, Tennessee. It says, "The currency of our lives lies in the experiences we create and the memories we make. Ranger Station's products are created to enhance these memories and experiences. Vegan, paraben-free, and phthalate-free." I'm sorry, I'm stumbling over every word today. So let's start with the little baby candle. It's not a baby, but the smaller candle. So it is Santalum. Here is what it looks like. It's very, ooh. I can't even describe this. What does it smell like? It smells good, but let's see. Fragrance notes: ambergris, amyris, and amber resin. I don't even know what those two first things are, but it smells really familiar. It says, "The scoop, known to regularly charm passerbys with its captivating musk, this fragrance is carefully mastered take on sandalwood-centric scent." Yeah, it kind of does smell like sandalwood. Very rustic scent. Does that make sense? It's good, but indescribable. I don't know how to describe it. Take a sniff. It's not my favorite ever, but it's definitely good. I'll definitely use it. I wish I could, like sandalwood, but what is ambergris and amyris? I know what amber is. Maybe there's a little bit of amber, but anyways, the next candle is oak moss. I love simple labeling. You can put this in any room. It smells so good. I like this one the best. So it says, fragrance notes: bergamot, cedar, and red amber. Created to be reminiscent of the moment after a storm clears, when the sun shines through to unleash a palpably fresh, warm, and earthly scent from the forest floor. Wow, that was a good description of it. Very earthy. Oh my god, yeah, and it's very uplifting. Oh my god. I can't stop smelling, and I wish you guys could too. This smells so good. I think I'm gonna light this one right away. Awesome. And then we have our extra, which is milled soap, fresh milk shea butter. Now I think the packaging of this is super cute. So let's learn more about our bonus gift. So this is from Greenwich Bay Trading Co. They're located in Raleigh, North Carolina. And it says, "American soap maker since 1962, Greenwich Bay Trading Co. offers luxurious soaps and spa products. Enjoy this fan favorite, French milled vegetable soap enriched with creamy buttermilk and shea butter." Oh, it smells so good. This might be the best scent of them all. Oh my god, I just love good scents. I keep looking at how awful my hair looks right now. This all smells so good. So I forgot to mention I do have a coupon to save you $5 off your first subscription. I believe it's just Kitty's Boxes, but I'll leave that down below. So no matter what box you get, you can save $5. So it's super great. This isn't my favorite month ever, but I do like it. Like, I'm gonna use all of this. They all smell good. I really liked last month. Last month we got lemon and coconut candles. So good. And the bags are usually more festive, but like, this is fine. Definitely could use this. I mean, it makes it more like a lot of the more like usable, because a lot of the bags are like very like themed, you know, like some will have pumpkins on them or something for like October or like whenever, and like, so yeah, you can use these all year round for really anything. They're good quality. The candles, I like the simple labeling. They both smell good. Oak moss is definitely my favorite, and this soap smells so good. Oh my god, and let me smell this candle one more time. Yeah, so that is everything that came in my Vellabox for August 2019. Again, ranges from $10 to $30, and I have a $5 off coupon code you can use if you are interested. This also makes an amazing gift if you're ever like lost for a gift idea. If you know someone that loves candles, like who doesn't? This is a good one. But anyways, thank you guys so much for being here and unboxing with me. I will see you in my next video. Bye!